guys, okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Martins Victor. And in this tutorial I'll be showing you, or I'll be taking you through step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. So this channel is being created to direct and guide you on how you can use your mobile phone to have internet to be able to benefit from the advantages of the internet. So but in this video I'll be taking you through step-by-step guide on how you can create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. So first of all, I would like to bring it to your notice that in this video, in this tutorial, I'll be breaking it into two sections, you understand? So I'll be taking it under two sections, whereby I will show you how you can create a YouTube channel through your YouTube app, using your YouTube app, or also how you can create a YouTube channel from your browser settings. So without saying much, let's get right into the video. Okay, now before you be able to create your YouTube channel, first what you have to do is you have to have a Gmail account. So you have to have a Gmail account, and once you have a Gmail account, then you can be able to create a YouTube channel. First of all, you just need to do is to log into your YouTube app using your Gmail account. And once you log into your YouTube app, just like you'll be seeing, just like mine here, which you are seeing on the screen, you'll be seeing a blank screen like this. Sorry, not a blank screen actually, but you're seeing some purpose of videos which have been recommended by YouTube to you based on your locations. So you see here that I'm on the YouTube app now. So for you to be able to create your channel, what you have to do is to click on the account name which you have here. So you just click on the account name which you have used to sign into your YouTube, or which you normally use to watch regular videos on YouTube. But once you want to now get your own account, what you have to do is click on the icon. Once you click on the icon, just like mine here, this is the settings you have, or this is the options you have. So what you have to do is you just click on this bar that says your channel, the bar that says your channel. So you just have to click on the bar that says your channel. Once you click on this bar, your channel, then you see that once you've not created a YouTube channel using that email address, what it will pop up is just a setting like this. You understand? So what is it trying to say? Look, if you read the setting, you understand that it's trying to let you understand that once you use this name and to create the channel, that will be your channel name. You understand? So first of all, what you have to do is you have to be able to know very well if this is the particular name that you want your channel to have. So before that, or before you even create a YouTube channel, I have a video which will tell you most of the things you need to do before you create a YouTube channel, like first of all being a specific niche and the rest of them. So I will link the video in the description below, so you'll be able to watch the video on how you can do that, so you'll be able to know the right channel that you can make videos on regular basis, so you will not be left out, or you not keep worrying the week by week on how to produce content for your subscribers. So first of all, what you have to do here is just click, if you don't want to answer this, just like in my own case, I have soft and then I have rev. So if you don't want this thing to be your channel, then you can delete this and change it to any other thing. So but also take note that in the long run you can equally change your YouTube name. You understand? You can equally change your YouTube name, but it's first advisable that you first of all make plans on the niche. What I mean by niche is the category of videos that you like to produce on daily basis or on weekly basis, so that to your subscribers. So it's first okay if you can be able to make arrangements on the channel name, then you can be able to input it here. But in my own case, I would like to return this name, which is our software here. So I would like to return the name. So what you have to do, once you are through with putting the name, you can just put any name that you want. So that's just how to create your YouTube channel. Just click on the create channel button here. So once you click on the create channel button, it will automatically create the channel for you. This is just to tell you that your channel has been created. As you can see, it just wrote the channel created. So this means your channel has been created. So what you now have to do next is to optimize your channel. As you can see, I have no subscribers yet. You can optimize your channel then create videos or upload videos. So in the next video session, I'll be showing you how to do those ones. So next, also I would like to show you how you can create YouTube channel using let's say from your browser settings. So if you would like to, let's say you don't have access to the YouTube app, or maybe let's say your phone doesn't have access to have the app, so you can equally create channel using your browser settings. So let's go right into it to know how to create a channel.